A new $800 million data center is being constructed in Kuna, Idaho, and expected to be in operation by 2025. The data center will be supported by 100% renewable resources and requires a new transmission line to tie it into the grid. Crux installed 12 drilled pier foundations to support monopole structures on the new line, ranging in diameter from 5 to 8.5 feet and in depth from 13 to 23 feet. Our experienced team also provided quality control for concrete and break strength testing. Challenges included working under existing energized lines, requiring coordination with qualified electrical workers during crane-supported rebar setting activities. The project location also experienced access limitations due to a significant freeze-thaw cycle, creating muddy afternoon conditions, and required accommodation of nearby mining operations, which entailed a substantial amount of off-road truck traffic. All foundation work was completed successfully, and Crux's safety standards and procedures were praised by the client throughout the project.